Hi everyone. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a way of earning cryptocurrencies without putting your own money. You will earn the money completely for free by just completing some quizzes. It's so easy. Everybody can do that. It will take you 2 minutes, not even. And let me show you. So first, you'll want to create an account with Coinbase. So sign up with Coinbase. I'll leave the link below the video so you can sign up and you can potentially earn $10 worth of Bitcoin if you use my link. So you'll type Coinbase, earn and learn on Google, and this is where it will take you. It will take you to the earn and learn platform and you can just you can sign up here if you click on start earning. Just sign up. Again, I'll leave the link below and you can use my link. So once you're signed up with Coinbase, you will receive regularly some quizzes that you can complete and you will earn a crypto. You will earn between Lately, it's been between $1 and $3 per quizzes because it's usually $1 per question. It used to be last year, I used to be able to earn up to $10 per quizzes. So I had 10 questions or $7, or it was a little bit more. Now it's been between $1 and $3. And I'm not too sure if you get more than a quiz a week. I did one yesterday, but I didn't log into my Coinbase account for a while before that. So I'm not sure if there were any before that were available and that maybe I missed. But it's free, and I'm pretty sure you get quizzes at least once every 2 weeks, once every week or 2 weeks. So it won't cost you nothing. You just need to sign up to the platform. You don't even need to put any money in the platform. I mean, it's a win-win, really. So what will happen? The quizzes will take place like this. You'll have to watch a short video, or you'll have to read a small text, and then you'll have a question to answer to. Usually they're so easy you can get it right straight away. But if you didn't get the right answer right away, do not worry. You can just try again. I mean, you can try as much as you want and get the right answer. So you can go back to the text or the video, watch again, and go back to your answer. So once you do that, then you'll get between $1 and $3 of whatever coin you were taking the quiz on. So if you were taking a quiz about Bitcoin, which you won't have because Bitcoin is not a new coin. It's usually a quiz about a new coin. It's not going to be a quiz about Bitcoin 100% or Ethereum, or these very famous coins. No, you won't have quizzes about those. But so what I've been doing, so once you answer the right answers, they'll send you the coin. I mean, the dollar worth of that coin or $3 worth of that coin right away. So you'll receive that right away in your Coinbase account. And what you can do from there, I mean, because you will gain a lot of profit over time if the price of that coin goes up. That's when you will make money on it, right? So we don't know how far that coin is going to go. We don't know how high the price is going to go. We don't know how long it's going to take to go to that price either. Nobody knows, right? We just hope that the crypto market is just going to go up. We all believe in, I mean, a lot of us are believing that crypto is the future, and this is the currency that a lot of people are going to use in the future. So we hope that yes, it's going to go up. So what I've been doing, I've been converting the coin I was earning by doing those quizzes into another coin. that I believe has a lot of potential and can get to a small price, but that price can make you so much. And I'll explain why. So once you earn whatever coin you earned, you can convert it into whatever you want. So you can convert it into Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, it doesn't matter. But we can agree on the fact that if you convert $3 of whatever coin into Bitcoin, I mean, you're not going to get rich at all, because we know that one Bitcoin now is over 40,000 Canadian dollar. So you would need a lot of Bitcoin to become rich. If the price went to like 100,000 or whatever, like, you'd need a full Bitcoin to double your price if it went to 80,000. So we're not going to be rich by converting into a coin that has a really high price. So what we want to do, we want to convert it into a coin that is extremely cheap and that has the potential to go up. But realistically, we know that every cryptocurrency, I mean, the prices are not raising extremely fast. It could, but we have to be realistic as well. So there's a coin that has a lot of potential. Everybody knows about that coin, right? It's called Shiba Inu, and the price is extremely cheap, as you can see. So what you can do, you can convert whatever coin you have into Shiba Inu. So you'll see it's very easy. Once you have your coin on Coinbase, you'll be able to convert, and you can just choose convert it into another coin, and it's going to swap into the value of your coin is going to swap into that new coin right away, and then you will have this new coin. So let's say you want to convert your $3, or I mean, let's say you accumulated $10 worth of whatever coin in your quizzes. I mean, I usually like convert right away. So let's say $3, you earn your $3, and you want to convert them in your Shiba Inu. So we know the price in Canadian dollar is there's 4 zeros and then 20. Okay, so if you have $3, you convert it in Shiba, you will have 150,000 coins. Think about it. You will be able to do those quizzes regularly. So let's say once every week, once every 2 weeks. It doesn't matter. It's free, and you can just convert every time, right? And we know the price is low. It's going to stay low like that probably for a while still. I mean, it's so far away from a cent. So we hear that it's gonna go to a cent for sure. We don't know when. It could be in a year. It could be in a few months. By the end of the year, it could be in 2 years, in 3 years. It doesn't matter. The point is, it will probably go there to a cent. It's not asking much, right, for the coin. So if I don't know, you accumulated way more than that probably by then, right? So let's say you just had 150,000 coins, as an example. So if the price went to 1 cent, so you would do 150,000 times 1 cent, and that is $1,500. Bear in mind, this is only if you just kept $3 worth of Shiba Inu, right? But we know over time you'll have more than that. Look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the prime example of a coin that was worth nothing just like a year and a half, 2 years ago. It was worth nothing, and now it is at 14 cents Canadian, right? So if your $3 worth, and which is like 150,000 coins, went to 10, let's say 10 USD. I think it's 10 cents USD right now. So if it did go to 10 cents, so this is your 10 cents, you'll have $15,000. Imagine that price. I mean, it goes to 10 cents. let's say in 2 years or 3 or 4, and like over time you probably accumulated more than that, you'd have more money. You just, it's free money you get by just completing the quiz, converting it into your Shiba Inu, which is extremely cheap. I think it's probably the one that has the highest potential to go to a price that can actually make you money. um, and then you just forget it. You just invest the money in the coin, forget it, just forget it, just live your life and go back to it in a year or 2 years and see how much you have. If you have kids and you want to save money for your kids, I mean, why not just put a little bit of money on that coin by just completing the quizzes? It's free, you have nothing to lose, and wait a few years and see how much you get after that. So this is my little trick with these Coinbase quizzes. That's what I do. I as well put my own money in Shiba Inu and other coins that I believe in. But when I do these quizzes, I know it's not much money, and I just automatically convert them in Shiba Inu just because it's so cheap. You could do that by converting that in Dogecoin or other coins if you want to. I mean, it's really up to you. It's your money. It's your money that you will earn by just completing the quiz, and you do whatever you want with it. And if you want to click the link below, if you don't have a Coinbase account and you want to sign up, I'll leave the link below. You can use my link. Over time, if you invest, I believe $100 in the platform, you don't have to at all. But if you do, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free as well. Up to you. You don't have to. You can just like go and take the quizzes, and that's all you have to do. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful for some of you guys. If it was, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on the next video, probably next week. Bye, guys.